What's going on, guys? Today I have the brand new Fitbit Inspire HR. It was just released this week, and we're going to be doing a unboxing, setup, and quick overview. So this is the front of the packaging. It is the small and large band. It includes 24/7 heart rate tracking. The back of the box. Here is the side in case you just want to see some of the features. 5 days of battery life, smartphone notifications, sleep tracking, heart rate monitoring, as well as swim proof. So this is fully waterproof and you can swim with the band on. So let's go ahead and quickly unbox this here. So this is the band itself. And the size is actually really nice. I used to have the Charge 3. I just lost that last week. So this is actually smaller than the Charge 3 and it actually looks really nice. So I can't wait to put this on my wrist. Inside the packaging here, we have the charging cable as well as some documentation. Let's go ahead and take a look at the charger here. We also have the large band in here. So that extra band. And the charging cable is here. Let's see, we just undo the wrist strap like a traditional watch. And it looks like this is magnetized. So that's nice. And then we can also remove these wrist straps. So you can see here, if we push this, it pushes the pin in. So to put it back in, we put in one side first. We push the pin in, and then it is secured into place. So here's a quick look on my wrist. This is very lightweight. Compared to the Charge 3, this feels much smaller as well as much lighter on my wrist. Let's go ahead and try to power it on. It is starting up, and while it's starting up, it tells us to go to fitbit.com/setup. That's probably where we can get the detailed instructions. However, I'm going to do that in this video instead. So first thing we need to do is go into the App Store and go ahead and look for and download the Fitbit application. So I've gone ahead and pre-downloaded it already. So once you're in these application, you'll either log in or you will sign up for a Fitbit account. Once you're in here, we're going to click on our profile and we are going to click set up a new device, and we are going to choose, this is the Inspire, but maybe there is an Inspire HR. Oh, there it is, sorry. So Inspire HR. And it looks like we already have a Fitbit account, so we do need to click switch to our Inspire HR. Agree to the terms and conditions. Now we need to plug in the Fitbit. So once we have it plugged in, it gives us a visual indication that the Fitbit is charging. We'll click next. Okay, so now on the Fitbit, it will display a 4-digit code, and we will just enter in that code to completely sync up the device. And every single time I've ever bought a Fitbit, I've always had to update it. So once again, with the brand new Fitbit that just released this week, you need to update it. So let's go ahead and wait for that. Alright, so we are back, guys, after about 15 to 20 minutes of this updating, which is totally normal for your Inspire HR. We'll hit continue, and it'll ask us to try the watch on now. Okay, we'll go ahead and select next, and this just tells us how to switch out the band. We can swipe up and down for our menu options. So it looks like the activities you swipe down, but you're going up. And then for your stats, you would swipe down. Let's continue. If we tap an icon, such as one of these activities, it opens up the feature, and we can start recording that from there. To go back, we just hit the side button, and it slowly backs us out, one menu item at a time. It looks like if we do press and hold the side button, it will quickly show us our quick settings, as well as battery life and notifications. Alright, so the last step looks like it just gives us some wear and care tips. We'll select next, and we're all set. We're just going to allow the Fitbit to track our location, and we are all good. So now if we come into here, tap on this, we can configure our Fitbit HR even more, as well as just get all the syncing right up in here. So thank you guys for watching. If you found the video helpful, please leave me a thumbs up, guys. We just hit 10,000 subs today. I don't know how we did it. I don't know why you guys are watching this content, but please subscribe. Hit that like button if you found the video helpful. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the brand new Fitbit, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.